case you change your mind. Leave me a chance. Listen to